Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 9, Introduction to React. React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, particularly for web applications. Key concepts and principles in React. 1. Component-based architecture. React follows a component-based architecture, where UIs are built using reusable components. Components can be simple, representing a button or an input field, or complex, representing entire sections of a web page. 2. Virtual DOM. React uses a virtual DOM to efficiently update the UI. Instead of directly manipulating the browser's DOM, React creates a lightweight virtual representation of the DOM in memory and updates it in response to changes in data. Then, React calculates the most efficient way to update the browser's DOM based on the changes to the virtual DOM. 3. JSX, JavaScript XML. JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows you to write HTML-like code within JavaScript. JSX makes it easier to write React components by blending HTML and JavaScript together. It's then transpiled into regular JavaScript code that React understands. 4. State and props. React components can have two types of data, props and state. Props, short for properties, are read-only data passed from parent to child components. State represents the internal state of a component and can change over time, triggering UI updates. 5. Lifecycle methods. React components have a lifecycle, which consists of various phases such as initialization, mounting, updating, and unmounting. Lifecycle methods allow you to hook into these phases and execute code at specific points in a component's lifecycle. 6. React hooks, introduced in React 16.8. Hooks are functions that allow you to use state and other React features in functional components. Hooks provide a more elegant way to reuse stateful logic between components without using class components. 7. React Router. React Router is a popular library for handling routing in React applications. It allows you to define different routes in your application and render different components based on the URL. 8. Redux. Optional Redux is a predictable state container for JavaScript apps, often used with React for managing application state. It provides a centralized store to manage the state of your entire application and enables you to write predictable code by enforcing a unidirectional data flow.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.